Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So I think, I've not got a crystal ball, but I think XRP potentially looking a bit weak here. If we can break back up, amazing. If not, I'm going to show you a reason why I think you might get fruitful putting some bids in down here at 0.1972. Okay, it doesn't make me a perma bear. I just think that potentially we could be looking at a breakdown in the markets. We could get a lovely little wick grab for XRP down here. Okay, so I'm going to go through this with you. Something I'm looking at right now. So, what I'm looking at potentially that this is an impulsive wave one from this low in 2020. Okay, so we've had this big impulsive wave, and I think that what we're in right now is not necessarily a traditional bear market in the sense that you've got this massive long drawn out bear market like this. Okay, I think that what we've got is a corrective wave two which we're going through, which is a retracement back down to that low. Possibly. Okay, that's a bullish scenario, because once this correction's over and done with, we'll bounce and we're in a massive wave three going back up, okay, and we'll break resistances and things like that, for XRP. So this is a bit of a bearish outlook, short-term bearish outlook, that I think that potentially what we've got is some kind of one, this is a two, this kind of big three, gone through a wave four retracement into resistance, which is this low, okay, and then boom, we're going to drop again. So why 1972 right there for XRP? So for me, potentially what we've created here is a massive double top and a descending triangle. Okay, so we've got this massive leg of resistance. Like I said to you, the whole way down, if we can break this super bullish scenario, it's failed to break it. But what we've got here equally is this support, resistance, and right now we're breaking down. And what we've done, if you look at this trend line here, we've actually turned this where we're broken down into resistance. So we've confirmed this previous support as resistance. Okay, so we're breaking down, got resistance at that crossroads. Equally, the support just there has become resistance, and right now, like I said to you, the most important thing here at this point, do we break through this, okay, which would be amazing, really bullish, or is this just a retest of resistance confirmed, as resistance, previous support, and then boom, we're starting to come back down impulsively? And if we are, then we have to look at technical targets. So right now, the technical target could potentially be just a simple descending triangle. Let me show you. So this is your descending triangle target. There's your top, there's your level of support, that's your trend line, okay, the base of the triangle. You've lost support just there, so technically from that point there, your technical target is all the way down here, okay, and then what you've done, you turn this previous support into resistance, and right now you're confirming it, and you look like you want to come down the stairs impulsively. So like I said to you, if we do start to come down, okay, and we lose this low from here at 3162, that's going to be really bearish, and I think that you could indicate that we've got an impulsive move to the downside, and I'm going to find targets for you. So the target would be 1972, where I think you'll get a lovely little bounce. So can we use Fibonacci to determine any other target? So if we go from there to there, you can see that what we're doing at the moment, like I said to you, we are retracing through the fibs back down to this low. So the positive thing here, I don't want to get too bearish yet. It's all about support and resistance. Like I said to you, if this thing is impulsive, it's some kind of 1, 2, 3, and you're coming down again. If it starts to come down, you've got to project to the downside. But at the moment, the positive thing here is that we have actually retraced. So the golden ratio, we're currently holding it since June. If we can consistently hold this in ascending level support like this, you're creating an ascending triangle here, coil up like this over the next few months towards the apex, start to see that, boom, bullish, okay? The opposite of that is we've got another impulsive move to the downside here, okay, and potentially what we've got is, I do apologise, the chart's a bit messy right here, is another impulsive wave down, which would see us lose the 702 fib and lovely little bounce off of 786, okay? So impulsive, corrective, boom, impulsive. This would be a wave three. If this low holds, I've always said that to you, because at the minute all you're doing is retracing to it, looking for the continuation of this trend, okay? You are until you're not. You won't be if you start to come back down and lose the one fib all the way down there at 0.1017. You start to turn that into resistance, boom, you've got an impulsive move here, okay, not a corrective move. Do you understand? So yeah, that's basically XRP. I wish I could tell you exactly what's going to happen, but the price action determines things change over time. So right now we've potentially got some kind of big double top descending triangle, turn the leg there, the support, into resistance, and we're confirming a continuation. So that would be my minimal target right now, the technical breakdown at 1972, which would be a really good area to put some bids in on XRP for a big bounce, okay? And I think that could be a correction in where you've got this 5 waves down. Let me show you. 1, 2, big 3, this was a 4, and you're looking at a final 5th wave down to the 786 where you get the bounce and you're out of there for XRP, and a big wave 3 as a possible scenario going forward for XRP, okay? So hope you enjoyed that update. I was in a short the other day. I actually got stopped out on that particular short, just a sort of little intraday short right there. I'll be back tomorrow with a potential trade setup, okay? Take care everyone, back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.